To access the chess on Duolingo, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to the tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to access the Duolingo chess from the Duolingo app. So if you want to access the Duolingo chess from the Duolingo app, then you just need to watch this video till the very end. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So after that, make sure that you have also installed the Duolingo app. So if you have not installed the Duolingo app, then you just need to install it from Play Store or App Store. So after that, you just need to select on the course section at the very top left, and here you will see the option of Spanish, chess, and all of the courses you have done. So currently I have already selected the chess section. So if you have not selected, under the new course section you will see the option of chess also. So simply tap on it, and you just need to follow the on-screen instruction which the Duolingo will give towards you, and you just need to play the chess from the very basic level which they will teach you how to do it. So by doing it, you will be able to have access to the Duolingo chess. So that's it. That's how you can have access to the Duolingo chess. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.